Hi guys, welcome to Disha Talk again. This is just a random video. No reason for taking this video. Just it's the roads of Kingston and the beautiful views. I just hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed it. So I just took a video of it. केरो रोड है Seymour Avenue. Okay, this is the view from Seymour Avenue. Wow, it's so beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at the view in front. Look. Jamaica is beautiful. This area is by Halfway Tree. It is close to the clock in Halfway Tree and near to Scotia Bank. So you can see right in front the clock is there. And that's the bus terminus on the left. I'm sorry, bus terminus is on the right is what I see. This was Hope Road, where we just came out of Hope Road.